SmartCoach is a nutrition tracking software that uses machine learning to help our customers reach and sustain their body composition goals. You tell us your demographic information, which includes information such as your activity level, height, weight, age, and your gender while creating an account. SmartCoach calculates your TDEE or your maintenance calories and suggests it to you. If you already know your maintenance calories, you can update it in the app via the profile section. Please note, we do not share any of your information and data with anyone. It is just used to optimize your nutrition. As an example, I'll be creating an account for a young female whose goal is to put on some muscle mass by optimizing her nutrition using SmartCoach. We will use the activity level as sedentary, as it tends to be the safest option when you do not know your activity level too well. Our algorithm will update the nutrition recommendation as you keep providing it with the necessary data, and even if you underestimated or overestimated your activity levels, it'll fix that for you easily and set you on the optimal path as it understands you better. How cool is that? The next step is deciding your goal, whether you want to gain muscle, lose fat, or maintain your current physique. In the application, it's as simple as creating a log. It's where you'll be updating all your information as you're progressing towards a goal with us. SmartCoach's machine learning algorithm will suggest a goal calorie intake that fits your individual needs. In this case, using the demographic information shared by the user while creating her account, the algorithm calculated a total daily energy expenditure or TDEE and based on that a goal intake. As you progress towards gaining muscle or losing fat, your metabolism will change and adapt. Our algorithm will update your goal calorie intake appropriately based on daily records of your calorie intake and body weight to make sure you're optimizing your nutrition. As the progress towards your body composition goal continues, our machine learning algorithm will learn more about you and provide feedback to make sure you're following the latest evidence-based nutrition recommendations. Let us make some entries and see the algorithm update in live as it gives us the next optimal route for our goal. As you can see, the total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, or maintenance calories have changed. Hence, the more data you feed the algorithm, the better it gets at understanding you. The SmartCoach algorithm blends innovative machine learning techniques, the latest evidence-based nutrition recommendations, and keen insight from industry experts. All in all, SmartCoach provides an easy and accessible platform to help our customers reach and sustain their body composition goals. There's absolutely no need to play the guessing game anymore and stall your progress or be unsure about it. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and have full access to SmartCoach for 21 days to track smarter and progress faster.